I've spent the last 25 years selling barbecue grills, and over the years, I've watched thousands of customers go from cooking hamburgers and hot dogs once a year on the 4th of July to becoming fantastic outdoor cooks. Hello, my name is Richard Alexander. I'm the owner of Hasty Bake, one of the oldest barbecue grill manufacturers in the world. When I took over Hasty Bake 25 years ago, I was pretty much that same 4th of July guy. I didn't know how to smoke ribs, much less cook at a competition level. But as I got more involved in the industry, I was lucky enough to spend time with some of the world's greatest chefs and barbecue champions. I was like a sponge soaking up everything the legends had to share. And before I knew it, I was all in, cooking all the time, experimenting, and eventually competing. And one thing I've learned, anybody can learn to cook like a star. With the right know-how and a little practice, you can become the pitmaster you were born to be. Here are a few secrets I learned from my friends and award-winning steak masters, Ken Phillips and Brett Galloway of the Steak Cook-Off Association, the organization that facilitates judging over more than 350 steak competitions around the world each year.
All right, I think we're there. So here's where it gets interesting, boys and girls. We've got ribeyes. We've got coarse kosher salt. And how much is enough, Kenny?
Keep going.
Keep going?
You're light. Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Just keep pouring.
Just keep going. Yeah.
Keep
just
pouring.
Pour away.
All right.
You know, when I do this, no, not yet.
All right.
You're going to need a little more. Okay. That's probably
All right,
good.
so we got that. Now we need to
Can
create...
you imagine the public seeing that? That was pretty funny, but it's really important that you just go overboard with the brining. So it's just straight kosher salt. Make sure that it's everywhere. The sides, the edges, top, very, very heavy.
Regular salt will not do this. Kosher has a larger surface area, and it's not as salty as a table salt.
If you use
or
table
sea
salt, you'll wreck it.
You'll wreck. I knew that was table salt you pulled out.
Well, it's the fine grained.
Whatever.
It's kosher.
All right, so that's it. We're gonna let this thing sit, rest for 15 minutes, and then when we pick it up, it's gonna just fall over our hands. We're gonna have to rinse it really well. We're basically, we're opening up the pores of the meat. And when we do that and rinse it off, when we put that seasoning on, it's gonna be thirsty. It's gonna suck that seasoning deep into the meat and give you that deep flavor without having to do a marinade. So this is something we used to always do in competition.
Well, that's why we won.
Ken and Brett are going to help you cook the best steaks of your life in Barbecue Stars, the world's first all-online, all-star champion teaching event that's going to take all of your outdoor cooking skills to a whole new level. And here's what's coming up in the next couple of videos. Kent Rollins, an award-winning humorist and cowboy cook, is going to share some of his best tips on live fire and cast iron cooking. And then Tuffy Stone, world champion of this year's Memphis in May, is going to share some of his own first place secrets. So where are you in your outdoor cooking? What have you mastered, and what do you still need to learn? Leave a comment and let me know, and I'll see you soon in the next video.